shoreline sand, fishing boats rolling to the land, soft wind dancing through the air. Currimao beauty everywhere. Seawall road and sky so wide, golden waves on the western side, people smiling, hearts so free. This is where I wanna be. Hear the tide calling my name, every sunset feels the same. Peaceful fire across the sea, Currimao is home to me. Currimao, oh Currimao, where the ocean breeze keeps flowing now. Under skies of gold we glow, island heart in Currimao. Currimao, sweet Currimao, feel the rhythm, let your worries go. Sun goes down, love starts to show. Paradise in Currimao. Oh, lighthouse watching through the years, stories carried by the pier, children laughing in the street, simple life with steady beat, fresh catch cooking by the shore, makes you always want some more. Night comes soft with stars above, town of peace and town of love. Wave by wave the troubles fade, in this calm the memories stay. Hold me close till morning light, Currimao all through the night. Currimao.